The Ministry of Local Government and the opposition are again at loggerheads about permanent housing solutions for hurricane victims in Westmoreland. Kimberly Petty has more in this primetime news follow-up.
These are the structures set down in Petersfield, Westmoreland for the modular houses to be fitted for hurricane victims who were recently removed from school shelters. Most of them have been placed in another temporary facility. Member of Parliament for Westmoreland Central, Dwayne is not happy given the time it has taken for a long-term solution. He blasted the government for what he says is a slow pace with which they're handling the housing relocation.
I am not engaging in any quarrel with Minister Mackenzie. My concern is with the people who were promised homes and are still waiting. The government's publicly announced May 8 deadline was never simply about residents leaving the shelter. It was presented as part of a broader commitment to transition displaced families into suitable and permanent housing.
He was responding to assertions by local government minister Desmond McKenzie, who accused the opposition of wanting the program to fail.
The housing solutions are presently in Western Jamaica, and work is almost completed for us to put on the first set of houses to actually provide for the persons the permanent residence that they are going to be occupying.
The minister insists the project is nearing completion, but Vaz believes otherwise.
Residents were informed that 50 houses would be constructed for affected families, with 20 units expected in the first phase of the development. However, as of May 9, 6 bases have reportedly been laid at the proposed site, with no completed housing structures and no supporting infrastructure, including water, sewage, or electricity.
Addressing the Senate last week, State Minister in the Office of the Prime Minister, Abco Fitzhenley, announced the arrival of the modular houses while making his contribution to the narrow debate. He was responding to questions raised by opposition Senator Floyd Morris.
924 modular houses are in fact in Jamaica. An additional 700 are on the way, and 700 additional will follow.
Last year, Prime Minister Andrew Holness announced that the National Housing Trust will procure 5,000 pre-built container homes for rollout across the island to help persons displaced by Hurricane Melissa. The units will comprise of 2-bedroom models, which are approximately 400 square feet, complete with a bathroom, kitchen, and a living area. Kimberly Petty for TVJ News.